I'd like to introduce you all to a very exciting and interesting thing. Now, I've put a lot of thought and research into ways of seeing small and delicate things with the naked eye. As you can see, traditional microscopes are big and heavy. They can only be used in certain places. But now, the perfect microscope has been invented. Let me introduce you to the Nurugo microscope. It's very easy to use. You can just mount it on the back of your smartphone. There are no cords and no additional batteries. Since it's a small microscope, you can utilize it anywhere and anytime. Now, let's take a look at this small microscope's amazing performance. As you can see here, what can't be seen with the naked eye can easily be verified with this product. And the image is high resolution compared to other microscopes. Let's take a closer look. It's astonishing how this small microscope can enlarge the target by up to 400 times its original size. Nurugo microscopes, not only can it be used for research and education, but it can also be utilized in fields that require a microscope, such as work and everyday lives.
The two key factors for producing the high-resolution image are the lens and the lighting. The lens is capable of enlarging the target by up to 400 times its original size. And this lighting technology has also been patented. You can also get video without any additional batteries or cables.
Wow. Everyone had an amazing response when I uploaded the videos and images taken by Nurugo microscope on SNS. If you simply and easily want the best results anywhere and anytime, Nurugo microscope is the answer. I really like my Nurugo microscope.
Nurugo microscope will be your new eyes. Expand your horizon, change your world. This tiny lens is the only one for expanding your world.
Charging cable, Bluetooth speaker, and holder stand. Now, it's time to combine them into one unit. This is Moon Sonata. The peaceful atmosphere in full moon night inspired us. So we determined to compose this sonata. We carefully designed every detail. Each angle, tried to make it a spectacular artwork, to give Sonata an elegant-looking while long-lasting usage. We adopt high-end aluminum. Simplicity is what we are pursuing. Sonata adopts wireless charging QI standard. Just position your phone on the bracket. A fast wireless charging is happening on your phone. Sonata is a holder stand to view pictures and video. It is a Bluetooth speaker also. Built-in stereo enables to play music while charging. If your phone can't support wireless charging, like Apple, no worry. Just connect one separated QI receiver into your phone. Then charge it wirelessly right now. It's that simple. Inside the house, enjoy music via Bluetooth connection. Relax. Everything's fine. Get it today on early bird price by Funshim.
This is the Sobro coffee table. The Sobro is a future of furniture, designed for your connected lifestyle. With a refrigerated drawer, Bluetooth speakers and charging ports, the Sobro keeps you powered up and in the moment. Technology has changed over the past 20 years. These days, we're looking for quick solutions to solve our problems and ways to simplify our lives. This got us thinking, while everything around us has advanced, why hasn't furniture? This is why we designed the Sobro coffee table, furniture reinvented for your modern lifestyle. Sobro uses Bluetooth pairing with its built-in speakers to provide excellent sound quality that's cord-free. You can also set the mood with the ambient LED lighting. Designed with a large refrigerator drawer, the coffee table keeps beverages and food chilled and always within reach. Charge your phone and laptop with the outlets on the side of the table. When you're done, roll up your cords and stash them in the drawers. We're excited to bring Sobro to Indiegogo. We've created a prototype and have our manufacturing partners in place. All we need is your help to start production and begin shipping the Sobro coffee table to your living room. We believe that Sobro is the future of furniture because it makes living a connected life more convenient. Please back us today and help make the Sobro coffee table a reality.
We're gamers, and our passion for games doesn't stop when the screen turns off. We carry it with us, everywhere we go. Now you can too, with GameBand, the first smartwatch for gamers. GameBand Atari Edition puts the action right on your wrist with watch-optimized versions of classic Atari games. But GameBand's hardware is far from retro.
Inside GameBand, we put an AMOLED display that's crystal clear. We put the Qualcomm Snapdragon 2100 processor, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 4.2.
The Snapdragon Wear 2100 takes on everything that you need to have in a wearables processor. It's 30% smaller than its predecessor. It's 25% more power efficient, extending battery life and bringing advanced functionality.
The result is one of the most powerful smartwatches in the world. And we didn't stop there. GameBand supports upgradable microSD storage, so you can carry your music, photos, and files.
Our microSD solution is really easy to use.
Just plug into any computer and launch Pixel Furnace and play full PC games direct from the drive at really high speed.
With GameBand Terraria Edition, you can adventure on your PC and then unplug and carry your world with you on your wrist, so you can play from anywhere. Our team pioneered this concept back in 2015 when we helped create a hugely popular Minecraft wearable. We know what it takes to build a great smartwatch that you'll want to wear every day.
I've been designing wearables for over a decade. Wearables is a very difficult space to design within. It needs to fit on the person and be comfortable to wear. Waterproof, shockproof. So we designed this product using the best-in-class construction approaches from the watchmaking industry.
Really what we were trying to do was to create a physical device, something that exists in the real world, that feels like it could exist in any number of these sort of magical and mysterious wonderlands that we see and experience in every kind of game.
Well, I'm really excited about GameBand, in part because I'm a gamer, and this is a product made for me. Of course, it's a full-featured smartwatch, but it's more than that. As a storage medium that allows people to take their games to their friend's home or take it to another PC, it's not a generic smartwatch. It's something that speaks to a gamer. For me, it's kind of a no-brainer.
From San Francisco to Barcelona, our team's been working really hard to make GameBand a reality. Now we need your support to get GameBand to production. So please check out our awards, back us, and help us to bring GameBand to life.
We all use keys to secure virtually everything we own. Like my keys, I keep my cards in my pocket. Purchases can't be any easier than this. And with the new chip cards everyone's getting this year, we can't be more secure. So why can't shopping online be that easy and secure? It can. I'm here to tell you about the Q Key. It's a radically simple solution. Just add your payment card onto your payment key. It's a cool bag. Say I want that cool bag. My Q key and one master password gives me access to all my sites. Just shop like I always do. Select a card. Enter my PIN. Just tap the key. And I'm done. How do I set up my Q key? It's easy. Just enter all your cards, your shipping information, and choose your favorite websites, and you're on your way. There's no more passwords to remember or forms to fill out. And it works on any computer or tablets with a USB port. And if I lose my Q key, without my master password, Q key is useless. And just like your ATM card, after 3 missed password attempts, Q key locks down, and only you can reset it. You can also make purchases on your mobile device. And the best part, it's totally secure. Q key unlocks the new internet. And now, you control.